Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Test Engineering Lab. In this tutorial, we are going to see the difference between the two terminologies, which is QA and QC, that are widely misunderstood and used. Okay, so the basic full form of these terms is QA means quality assurance and QC means quality control. Okay, so uh, to tell you some idea about what these mean and what is the difference, I just want to mention these things that QA means it's more of a process related term. While if you consider QC, it is a thing that involves the actual testing of the software. Okay. Now, QA is because it is process oriented, it is used for preventing the defects, and as in QC, the actual testing is involved. It deals with detecting the defects. Okay, and QA itself is an entire life cycle because it's entirely a process that is used, and QC is just a part of SDLC. As we already know, testing is one of the phases in SDLC that we have seen earlier. So now, I'm sure you must have understood what's the difference between QA and QC. So basically, QA is more of a process oriented thing. It is used for preventing the defects. All the teams are involved in QA to ensure that the defects are not introduced. On the other hand, QC is something which is used for detecting the defects, and it involves the testing activities in it. Okay, so let's just see this thing that has differences stated down. So QC places greater focus on quality of the product analysis, while as QA concentrates on analyzing the processes within SDLC. Okay, like I had mentioned, so QC is ensuring the product is defect free after the analysis of that product that is developed, while QA ensures that the processes are used that prevent the introduction of defects in the product. Okay. QC is utilized to test the software or product by calling it up, and QA is utilized to analyze a set of documents without a particular focus on end product. QC testing team is engaged in software testing, and QA whole team is engaged in the process. QC assesses the reliability of the end product. QA determines if the product or software fulfills the requirements. Now, QC is applied to find defects, errors in the product that is built, and QA is applied to identify, analysis, and prevent the occurrences of defects. And QC involves functional testing, automation testing, etc. And in QA, document review, inspection, test case reviews, and walkthroughs are taken care of. Okay, so that's the difference between QC and QA. I hope you've understood it. If you have any queries, please mention all those in the comments section of this video. And let's meet in the next tutorial. Thanks.